Hi everyone, my name is Runit Ranjan and I'm going to talk about our project Automated Number Plate Recognition System. ANPR stands for Automatic Number Plate Recognition. The objective of our work is to develop an ANPR system which gives good enough outcome for various license plates within a stipulated time limit and having at least some accuracy. The image of a number plate is first captured by a camera and the process ends with an output in the form of the number plate. The fetch number plate can be used in many ways by the authorities. So now we come to the steps in ANPR. First, image acquisition. Here we are going to capture the image of our license plate or the back of a car. Then we come to image preprocessing conversion. Here we are going to do conversion of our captured image into grayscale and then into threshold. Then we do number plate detection and then we extract that portion of the image from it. In character segmentation, we segment the captured image into characters. And then we do character recognition using KNN. So let's come to the image acquisition. So we have captured the back of a car, the image of back of a car. Next we come to the image preprocessing. Here we have a grayscale image and then we convert it into threshold image. Now we come to number plate detection. The threshold image, we are using the concept of contours to find number plate, to detect the number plate. Okay. So first we are doing the threshold image, we are taking the threshold image and then we extract all the possible contours for number plates. At first so after taking 2000 contours, we further try to reduce this contours count by taking list of contours. As we know that a number plate consists of many characters, so we will be taking list of contours. After further reducing it, we found 113 contours in our picture. And after we 131 list of contours. Okay, and now after that we are grouping those list of contours uh, into contours of similar height and width, and then we found 13 contours. So without taking much of the time, let's see the code. So here we come to our main py file. So first of all, we will be going through the image acquisition. Here we are taking here we are acquiring the image of our number plate. Now we check whether the image is found or not. If not, we will give an will show an error. Now we will be using the we will be doing detect plates. List of possible plates is equal to, now this function is found here, detect plates in scene. Now we come to our function detect plates in scene. First of all, we will be converting our original image ordinal scene into grayscale as well as threshold image using the function preprocess. Now we will be using the number plate detection part, doing the number plate detection. First we will be finding all the possible contours in our image. Now this function first finds all the contours, almost 2000 contours. Then it includes only those contours that could be found that could be a character. Okay, so we'll be taking only those contours that could be characters. So we'll be going to the find possible chars in scene, line 28. Okay, so we are here find possible contours find possible chars in scene. First we are going to run so now we will be using cv2.find contours to find all the contours in our image, all internal and external contours. Now we'll be using a for so we'll be so after this we found almost 2362 contours. Now on further we will be reducing those contours count because we will be only checking for the contours which can be characters. Okay, so first we will be using possible cat function to get the bounding dimensions of our for contours. Next we will be using check if possible cat to check whether the contour we found is a character or not. So let's go to the detect chars.py file. Here Here we are checking if we are going to check our contour is a character or not using five dimensions: minimum pixel area, minimum pixel width, minimum pixel height, FLT aspect ratio, flat aspect, maximum aspect ratio, minimum aspect ratio, and maximum aspect ratio. So if all those conditions are true, so it will return true, and if false, then any of them must false, it returns false. So once we know that that the contour is a character, we will put that contour in list of possible cats. So let's go. After this, we found almost 131 contours. So we'll be returning return list of possible cat. So now we return list of possible cat. 110 contours are returned. So we go back to the function from which it was called, and that was substituted. So it was called from here find possible cats and say. So now first we are going to show all the 131 contours in a black image. So we are using cv2.draw contours. Image contours is a black image. On that we are drawing all the contours. That is 131 contours which are possible characters, and we are denoting it with a white color. Okay. cv2.imso will show our image. Now now we further reduce those. Now we are further reducing those 131 contours using find list of matching cats. This is present the detect cats. So we come to the detect cats. Here we have find list of matching cats. With Now come to this function, find lists of matching cats. In this function, we start off with all the possible characters in one big list, that is 131 contours. The purpose of this function is to rearrange one big list into a list of matching cats. So what we'll be doing here is that we'll be grouping all those characters into small groups. Okay, which may be having characters of similar height, width, area, or maybe angle between those characters. Now note that some characters may not be grouped with other characters. Okay, or if group 2 maybe less than maybe that group contains less than 3 characters. So we will be discarding those groups. Okay. So what we'll be returning here? We will be returning list of matching cats. Okay. So we will be returning different groups of characters. First, we iterate over this list of possible cat. For each possible cat in one big list of characters, list of matching cats is equal to find list of matching cat. Possible cat is a particular iterated contour, and we'll be going through all the possible contours. Okay, take take one and take an example like your list of possible cats contain from 26 contours A, B, C, D, E, A to Z. Okay. Now once you iterate over it, possible cat is A. So we'll be checking whether A matches with any of those characters present in A, B, C, D to Z. Okay. So suppose its height or width and area and as well as angle matches with characters B and C. Okay. So in a group we have so we'll be returning those. So it will be returning. Just a minute. So this function will return B and C in a list, which will in a list. Okay. So once you get all the matching characters which matches with A, that's B and C, we will be appending A to it also. So this function list of matching characters dot append will append the first contour also on it. Okay. So we add the current character to current possible list of matching cats. Okay. So once we found the count, so the group of A was having A, B, and C now. Okay. So now we will be checking the length of this list of matching cats. If it's less than 3, so it won't form a number plate. So but but suppose if it was having d also matches, then it can be taken as a number plate. So we'll be take it as a number plate. Now once you add a, b and c to a list of matching cars, now what you have to do is that remove those matching cars from the original list of possible cars, because you need not check because you don't want to check b with again a and c and then form another group. Okay, so we will be removing that. So this function list set list of possible characters. So from set of possible characters we are removing matching characters, that is from a to z we will be removing a, b and c. Okay, so once you are done, uh, we'll be we'll be returning list of matching cars. And at last we found in our original image which in our original image we found 13 groups of characters of similar height with which will be having characters of similar height, width, angle. Okay, so on what features did we check whether those characters are of similar height? So we'll be going through maximum angle between characters, maximum change in area, maximum change in width, maximum change in height. So now we go back to our main.py file. Finally, this entire process generates 13 possible matching list of controls, which can turn out to be a number. So we have our first group here, which have matching characters, another group which have some matching characters. Okay, so we have a total of 13 groups here. Now we come to now we are done with our number plate detection part. So we have 13 number plates here. Now we come to our character segmentation. In this step, we will be extracting the selected AOI, area of interest, from our original image. This AOI is further broken into characters. Okay, so suppose we have this number plate. We will be breaking it into characters M, M, C, L, R, and F, and for character recognition. Okay, out of all the 13 possible matching list of contours, we are looking into any two of them. Okay, so this is number plate 1, this is number plate 2. Extracting the selected area of interest from our image, this will give the following result. Now we again do the pre-processing step where we convert our image into grayscale and then into threshold image. Now after this we'll be finding all the contours in that image. Okay, we'll be finding all the list of all the contours. Now we'll be taking only those contours which can be characters. After that, okay, so we'll be taking only those matching contours. In this are matching contours, and in this image we have this green colored matching contours. Now our algorithm then proceeds by removing all the overlapping contours. As the characters of a number plate, as the characters of a number plate will never overlap on each other. This will give the below output. As we have no overlapping characters here, so none we remove. Here also there were no overlapping contours. At last, we'll be taking the number plate, which will be having a maximum number of characters in it. So generally, the number plate is of is made up of many characters. So in that case, here we are taking it as an assumption that the number plate will be having the maximum number of characters. Now after this step, we'll be going to the character recognition. Here we'll be using KNN algorithm for our character recognition. Okay. Now we come to our character segmentation. Here detect cars in plate. So this function is used for character segmentation, and in this function only we are going to do character recognition. So first we go to our detect cars. Just a minute. So here we are. So in this we iterate over all the list of possible plates. For possible plate, first we will be converting those possible plates into grayscale and image threshold. Now Now in each plate, in each possible plate, that is in each group of matching characters. Okay, so we first find all the contours. Then we will only including those contours that will be characters. Okay, so this function find possible characters in plate is used for finding all the contours, and we are storing those contours in list of possible characters in plate. So for each possible plate, we will be having a list of possible characters in plate. After that, after that, given a list of all possible characters in a plate, grouping matching characters within the plate. So list of matching characters in plate is equal to find. So this function find list of matching characters is used for grouping those matching characters in a single group. Similar to the example I told you earlier, A, B, C, D, E1. Okay. So after this, now we come back to here. So within each list of matching characters, that is within each group. Okay. So first we iterate over all the groups. Suppose we find groups in a possible number plate. Okay. So within so list of matching characters in plate I. So we are sorting it. Okay. So we are sorting each group of similar characters based on the characters from left to right. Okay. So we use sort function and we are sorting based on left to right. And after that we'll be removing the overlapping characters. Suppose you have capital T and capital I in a single number plate. So once you go through it, so two contours will form. Suppose T and contour I both are formed. So in that case, both overlap each other. So we will be taking only single character here. So as I told earlier, that a possible number plate can have many groups of characters which are similar to each other. So suppose a possible number plate has five groups of five groups. So five list of matching characters in that. Okay. So here we are assuming that the index so we are getting the index of the one with the most characters. So we are assuming that the longest list of matching characters within the plate is the actual list of characters. Okay. So suppose in the number plate you have MC, LR, and F, and another matching characters maybe A, B, C. Okay, which may be the initial of the number plate designer, which you don't need. So in that case, we'll be taking the longest list of matching characters, which is MC, LR, and F. Okay, so that is the reason we are needed to find the index of the longest list of characters. Okay, so now we come to our character recognition here. Where this function recognize characters in plate. In this we are passing image threshold, that is our threshold image of the number plate, and the longest list of matching characters in plate. Okay, so this is the group which is having the maximum number of matching characters. Which will most probably be our need. So we go to this function recognize characters in plate. Just a minute. So here we have two threshold and list of matching characters. Okay. So we'll be running our KNN on this list of matching characters. First of all, we are sorting our characters from left to right, so that we can get our number plate characters in order. Okay. So now we will be drawing a green box around the character. Okay. So we have a group In that group we are having many matching characters. Now we are drawing green box around those characters. CV2.rectangle, and we are plotting that rectangle on our threshold image. Image threshold color. That is a black color. Black colored image. We have point 1 and point 2. So these are the parameters. We are sending top left and bottom right points. Okay, and we are plotting. We are coloring it with green color, and it will have a thickness of 2. So after that, we will be cropping that character out of the threshold image. Image R or image region of interest is equal to image thresh, and in that thresh image, based on slicing, we are cropping that character out. And in that cropped out character, we are first resizing that image, because image resization is important for character recognition. And after that, we will flatten that image. We will flatten that three-dimensional image into 1D numpy array. Okay, sorry, that 2D image into 1D numpy array. After that, we will use KNN here on segmented characters in the number plate. So K nearest dot find nearest NPRY resized. This is the image, and K equal to 1. Finally, we can call K nearest. Here we get the character, and it's stored in STA parent character char. So that character is present in this. After that, we'll add to our str char. So first M stored, then C, then L. So MCL. In that way, we are storing our number plate characters in. Now we go back to our limit function. So okay, so we are here in this step. After that, now, so each plate will have its own recognized characters. Okay, so it means that all those 13 groups, each group will have its own number plate words. So we are returning list of possible plates. So we go back to our main.py file. Here we have only 13 words are present in this list. Here we are assuming that the plate with the most recognized character is our actual plate. So you remember that we have found 13 possible number plates, and each of these number plates will have its own distinguished characters of number plates in it. So we are sorting the So now we are sorting the list of possible plates in descending order. So most number of characters to least number of characters. List of possible plates dot sort, and we are sorting based on the number of characters in that possible plate. So suppose the plate with the most recognized character will be our number plate. Okay. So at last we will be showing our cropped. We will be showing our image of our license plate, and then we will be printing it, printing out the characters which we found. Okay, so our number plate recognition is done.